I'm not racing today, but I have come down to Donington Park for the MSV Media Day. So Bernie's V8s and the new race series Historic Outlaws are also here. So we've got some new cars, new entries. Drivers from last year are also here today, but with new cars, so it's going to be really cool to see. A couple I've got my eye on. I want to have a really good look around compared to what I've got in my car. See if I can get out on track, let's see. Haven't brought my race car today, but I am here to support the guys and yeah, have a look around, see what's going on, see what's happening on track, and hope to get some cool videos and content whilst I'm here as well.
So I've come down to the Bernie's V8s and Historic Outlaws garage area for the day. Got all our teas and coffees set up, some snacks, we'll have some lunch later. Some incredibly beautiful cars here. This one's Simeon's. See here Matty Ellis's car and Adam Chodrich's new car as well, lined up ready to go. Really stunning stuff here for the media day. Ricky and his Mustang that he's just built, it's very new to the scene or new to racing, so he'll be out learning, picking up some bits as he goes along, which is really cool. And then the one that I really want to have a look around, which I'll do once they're all back in, is Clive and Sam's Mustang GT350. Jason's built this for them, was a road car and is now set up for track use. So yeah, really looking forward to having a good look around that one later on. Everyone's now going to head out behind a film car, so the purpose of the day this morning, they all line up on track and then they do a couple of laps behind the film car, and basically someone in the back of the car will be filming, directing them around the track to sort of swap places, move around, this, that and the other, to shoot a really cool promo video. I'll show you the one they did last year, so I was here last year with my Mustang, and the recording came out really well, so I'll show you that one in a second as well. So I'll show you now the video that was created last year. So here I am getting ready to go in my Mustang, and then with the group of cars who've pitched out, ready to start as well. I'm getting into some track time behind the car. So I've made a short promo video which has come out really well. I'm really looking forward to seeing the 2026 video, even though I'm not going to be in it on track. But anyway, The cars for this year are super cool, so good looking, really going to attract some great crowds. So it'll be a great way to show off the 2026 season and the new racing series being introduced, which is Historic Outlaws, as well as standalone races as well at Donington later on in the year. So yeah, lots of really exciting stuff happening, and now I'm going to see if I can convince Ricky to take me out in his Mustang and do some laps, because we get some track time now this afternoon, so let's go and see how that goes. Down the pit lane now to go out onto track, where we'll form a queue. They'll let all the cars out one by one. This is now a kind of track time test session. We have to show our wristbands, so driver and passenger wristbands, to make sure we're in the right group to go out on track. I believe, for the day, so we have certain track slots to go out. It's pretty wet. Donington is quite a slippery track, so Ricky, he's starting his first year of racing. He's just getting into things, so take it easy to begin with. It's a pretty powerful car. It's got lots of power and grip on the straights. It seems to be set up quite well. So yeah, it's just sort of getting his eye in, learning the track, learning the car, and also his driving style as well as he goes. Really cool. I'm not the best passenger, so I just sort of sit. I just kind of sit and take it all in. It's great to just kind of get out there, see someone else's different driving style as well, learn something, help them if you can, and just enjoy it really. finish up these laps now with Ricky. We were out for around half an hour. Really good session for him, getting to grips with things. But now I want to have a look around Clive and Sam's Mustang GT350, which is freshly built, ready to race for the 2026 season. Last year they ran a TVR and then they've sold that and built this, which was Clive's road car. Still going to use it on the road, I believe, but also for track use. So Jason has built it pretty much to, or similar, but some improvements from his GT350 that he runs as well. So yeah, nice to see it up close and get a bit of an idea of what he's going to run and how it all looks, to see if I can take any tips and transfer over to my car as well. So that's it for today at the MSV Media Day in Donington Park 2026. Really cool day, great to get up close with all the cars, see what's happening, get out on the track as well with Ricky and his Mustangs. Massive thanks to them for that. But yeah, so anyone that's looking to see these V8s and the historic Outlaws up close and personal this year in 2026, check out our race calendar, head over to berniesv8s.com, and really look forward to seeing any of you at the race weekends in the future.